Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring how to use Zoho Project for product road mapping. This is your full 2025 guide, so let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is start a new project. Simply log into your Zoho account, go to Projects, and click on New Project. The reason we do this is to create a fresh canvas for your product roadmap, ensuring it's clean, clear, and ready for your master plan. Now that we've done that, you'll want to add tasks. These are your roadmap's milestones, representing key development stages. Go to the Tasks and Milestones section and hit Add Task. Here, you can set task names, descriptions, start and end dates, and assignees. This helps us create a timeline for our product, keeping everyone aware of their roles, responsibilities, and deadlines. Next up, we'll set dependencies. These are essential as they show the flow of tasks and which tasks are reliant on the completion of others. Head to Task Dependencies under the Task Details and link the tasks accordingly. This helps us ensure that our roadmap is realistic and achievable, considering the sequence and timing of tasks. Once you've set your tasks and dependencies, it's time to switch to the Gantt chart view. This is where the magic happens. Click on Gantt chart in the left-hand menu. Here, you can see a visual representation of your tasks over time. Let me explain why this matters. The Gantt chart gives you a bird's-eye view of your roadmap, helping you spot bottlenecks, overlaps, and gaps in the schedule. Lastly, share your roadmap. Go to Users and add team members, stakeholders, or clients. You can control who sees what with permissions. By sharing your roadmap, you ensure everyone's on the same page, keeping communication transparent and expectations aligned. And that's it. You've just created a product roadmap using Zoho Project. Remember, a roadmap is a living, breathing document that can and should be updated as things change. So don't be afraid to tweak and adjust as you go along. Thank you for tuning in. Stay organized, stay on track, and keep creating amazing products. Until next time.